Hi, thanks for tuning in. The ASX 200 index closed just slightly higher today, and in response to the buying support which emerged yesterday, the local market continued to trade in absorption mode today. With weakness again present on overseas markets last night, the opportunity to continue pushing lower was offered but was not accepted locally, and that's a sign of strength for the market. This was a pretty good effort and shows that there is still a reluctance for the market to break down, and there is an attempt to absorb the weakness that continues to be seen on overseas markets. And just so you can see, here's the Dow Jones. You can see the market has broken down from the highs. Here's your highs. Price was trading sideways in a range. The market has broken down recently, and you've got the old level coming across there, and that's where the market has supported last night with 1 day's trading to go. There's little doubt the local market is attempting to consolidate and recover following a couple of widespread down days where the index saw sharp losses. If we mark the lines in, here's the sharp losses. Just keep in mind there is a difficulty and uncertainty surrounding an attempt to support the market like this. I expect the support so far to be mostly speculative and is certainly tentative. The current buying support will easily and quickly be dumped if overseas markets accelerate lower or continue to break down with intent. Price traded inside the previous bar's range as an inside bar today, and you can see that's pretty clear. Spread narrowed considerably, so volatility was reduced today, and the close was above mid-bar, which suggests that absorption was taking place. Volume was again above average, but was affected by options and futures expiry day yesterday, and often it's quite a bit higher than yesterday's volume. So I do note that the volume today being reduced was actually lower than I expected or anticipated. So without the expiry volume may well have been quite low today, and that might explain the narrow spread and attempt to absorb the supply being drawn out. At the close of trade, the local market finished just 2.1 points higher. So it was a pretty quiet finish to the week after a couple of pretty volatile days previous to that. Now, it's pretty clear that buying support emerged yesterday. The distance between the close and the lows is where the buying support can be pictured through there. So I would expect the market to trade sort of roughly sideways if it attempts to consolidate here. You've got lows to the left that come through here. And this was some form of multi-bar shakeout of these lows. And you can see the market is trading adjacent to this. This is where it's attempting to find support. A breakdown below these lows, and this is like last gasp here, so 7100 is your number to watch at the moment. A clear break below 7100 would leave the market quite vulnerable and probably moving down to lower levels. I put in some more bars. Yeah, breakdown below 7100 would see this 7,000 level tested, and below that you've got a level down here at 6,900. So the market's certainly on a move lower at the moment. We'll just see where the attempts to support are and how successful those attempts end up being. Okay, thanks for your time. See ya.